welcome once again to my backyard grill. What we're doing today is I got a couple of boxes I want to open on camera because I just want to. It's an unboxing. I got this one from my buddy Charlie, who runs the YouTube channel Bo's Garage. I've known Charlie for years. We've been going back and forth on the YouTubes for a while. He's a great guy, great cook. He doesn't upload too many videos, but when he does, they're almost always excellent. I'm gonna unbox this thing. I don't know what he sent me. He just said he sent me something special, so let's see. Okay, here's a note. Here's a note. I find this one, what up, Sal? I find this one to be wicked good. Hope it finds you well. Enjoy. Bo's Garage. Charlie from Bo's Garage. What's he got it? Oh man, he's got it packed up with all kinds of styrofoam, so it must be breakable. No, it's not. It's cans. It's cans of beer. Sam Adams Wicked Hazy Juicy New England IPA. I think I got 2 cans of Wicked Juicy New England IPA. No, Wicked Hazy Juicy IPA. These are the same thing. Yeah. 2 cans of Sam Adams Wicked Hazy Juicy IPA, 6.8 ABV. Sam Adams, who knew Sam Adams made a ABV? Or I mean a Wicked Hazy. Juicy Hazy, full-on Wicked Hazy New England IPA is bursting with fresh fruit aroma. Okay. Yeah, we're going to feature this in our next video, Charlie. Thank you very much for the beer. Hey, anybody wants to send me beer, I'm welcome. Welcome to you. And thank you for the beer. Awesome. I love beer. And I love Sam Adams too. I've never seen this. I don't know why. They don't have it at the store where I shop. Sam Adams Wicked Hazy New England IPA. That sounds like something right up my alley. Thank you, Charlie. Charlie likes it, so it's got to be good. Hey, I wanted to talk about this this other box here. This is some Prime 6 charcoal that I got. It was recommended by my drinking buddy, Rob from the Barbecue Pit Dog. Rob had a promotion on his channel. He used some of this charcoal. This charcoal is like high-tech charcoal. I can't wait to take a look at this. Open this puppy up. My knife. And I don't even know how much I bought of this. I bought this, Rob had a promotion on his channel where you could get, I think it's still in effect. Here's a nice little card, Prime 6 charcoal. Thank you for supporting Prime 6. We hope you enjoy using Prime 6 charcoal. Discover the difference that pure flame flavor can bring to your food. Well, we're going to find out. I'll tell you what, because we're going to be using this pretty soon. So here's the box of charcoal. Let me put my knife down before I cut myself. That would be good, huh? Blood on YouTube? You probably love it. Oh yeah, look at that box. Even the box is high-tech. Let's get this other box out of the way here. Box of charcoal. Prime 6 charcoal. Gonna need my knife again. It's wrapped up like a mummy. Let's open this up. Get this bubble wrap off of here. My knife needs to be sharpened, I think. Methinks my knife needs to be sharpened. Bubble wrap shouldn't present a problem for a Gerber knife. So that means your knife needs to be sharpened. My knife skills are not good, are they? Yeah, alright. Let's get that bubble wrap off of there. Shut up, dog! That dog's about to drive me insane. She wants to come out here and eat charcoal so badly. Wow, this is some tough bubble wrap. Let me tell you what. They get an A+ for packing, I'll tell you that. Prime 6 charcoal. I can almost get it off of there. Ah! I'm not kidding, this stuff is really on there. Oh man, finally got it open. I can't wait to see. I mean, I saw it on Rob's channel, but it's like, it's very high-tech charcoal, if you notice. It's well packed. I'm not kidding. It's really well packed. Look at that. I gotta take some of that out. We got a 7-use pack. I'm gonna have to get my hands dirty because I want to show you this charcoal. Look at that stuff. It's very densely It's got a, I think it's got a hole through the middle of it, if you can see that hole. So that's gonna let the flames like go through the hole. And it's like hard lump charcoal. I can't wait to use this. I got an idea what I'm gonna use it for. Special cook that I'm planning. And if you want some Prime 6 charcoal and you want to, I think the promo code is still good. I think it's Rob10. I'll make sure the promo code is still good. And in the link in the description of this video, I will put the promo code for the Prime 6 charcoal. It was seen on Shark Tank. My wife watches that show. I don't watch television, but my wife's got that show on all the time. Prime 6 charcoal. So yeah, that's my unboxing video. Thanks to Charlie Follett for the Wicked Hazy beer that we're going to feature. Maybe I don't know. I got two. My daughter might like it. My daughter likes beer. Anyway, I'll give her one and I'll drink one on camera. And I got this Prime 6 charcoal. Can't wait to use this stuff. I got to put it where it won't get wet. Put it in my box over here. And yeah, that's it, babies. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing video. And go down in the description and see about getting yourself some Prime 6 charcoal. And you can use Rob's promo code to get 20% off, which is what I did. I used Rob's promo code to get 20% off. Yeah, that's it, babies. Have a good day, everybody. Rootboy out.